Hello friends, welcome to my channel that is Versatile Love. Today I am here to show you another unique recipe that is made by papaya. In Bengali, it is known to as, the dish is known to as pepe ghonto. Pepe ghonto, yes, might be we don't like to eat papaya, the raw papayas. Here we have chopped it like this, and after that it's need to be grated, and then we have to a little bit boil the grated papaya, and the recipe would be going on, and what ingredients is required we have to tell you. Till then, have a look on raw banana how to we chopped it, and after grated definitely I will show you. By this tool I'll be grate this total papaya, and after grating we boiled it first, and after boiling our recipe will be done. So till then, have a look on my recipe. Here I am done grating. You can see the papaya already grated. So friends, you do not doing any grinding or pasting the papaya. You have to grating. Yes, it is take so much of time, but still this ghonto will be delicious if you grind. If you are not grinding or pasting, just go for grating it. And we add some potato also in small size. We chopped it. I will show you gradually. Hello friends, you have seen the grated papaya already been boiled, and we have chopped our other hero too, that is potato. And for gravy we need some cumin seeds, some ginger, and definitely some green chilies. And here we have another hero in our recipe, that is Govinda Bhog Chal. This is one type of rice which is actually enhance the taste of the dish. Okay, our pan is, we have already switched on the gas, and we are adding again some rice bran oil. This is rice bran oil we are adding here. We have chopped the potatoes in a very small size, because here in our recipe ghonto, if we are making this potato in a big size, it would be not good or not looks good. So here we are given some cumin seeds, one bay leaf we are adding here. Now we are adding, this is the recipe by mother-in-law, who is actually cooked well and also cooked each and every morning with some delicious dishes. Here she is adding potato, the chopped potato, and also we are preparing it in a high flame. We are increasing the flame of the gas, and we first of all fried it off, the chopped potato. And now I am stirring it, because the whole cumin seed, the ginger, and the red chili is need to be made. don't like to eat the raw potatoes or those potatoes which are not fried in your veggie. So I always like, or I always prefer to be well fried potatoes. Now some Govindabhog chal, Govindabhog rice is amount is 2 tablespoons are adding here, and this is also fried with the potato. Just only stir it well. There is no need of over fried of your Govindabhog rice or Govindabhog chal. In Bengali we are telling Govindabhog chal. It has its own smell. Now the paste of ginger, green chili and cumin seeds are added here. Friend, if you want to have some good recipe and also making at your house, please prepare this. I hope this recipe will not deprive you and your guests too. I think they must be applause you about your cooking. Now we are adding some salt and also turmeric powder here. We are adding some sugar. In veg recipe, previously I am telling you, definitely some sugar is required. I am just helping my mother-in-law, but this recipe is not mine. I actually don't know the veg dishes, but actually your cooking ability is shown in your veg dishes only. Now we are adding the grated boiled papaya over here. Those who don't like to eat papaya, please make this, please prepare this at your home and please tell me how it is. I think you and your friends, your relative definitely applause you and they will be telling you, please prepare it for me. Please make this at your home and tell me how it is. I think you must be happy to do this. We are now mix it well. Mix it well. For grating a papaya, it's required some time. Yes, in every veg dishes, I admire, I actually follow the rules, because in veg dishes you have to keep patience. If you are in hurry, so might be the non-veg dish is for you, but in veg dishes you have to prepare it in a concentration way. You have to concentrate, yes. Actually, that is why for preparing the veg dish is quite been tough. So here we are mixing it well, and we are adding some water here. We are adding water. Govindabhog chal or Govindabhog rice is not require much more time to be boiled. So if you are adding this Govindabhog rice, do not use atop rice, atop chal. Here we are using Govindabhog rice because it has its own smell, and by this smell is your ghanto will be delicious. So here there is no need of, if you are thinking that how rice will be boiled, it will be need much more water. No, you just seen here, not much of water is required. Okay, now we close the lid. It is a thala, the dish, we are closing it, and also we are decreasing the flame of our gas. So it's required it's required 5 minutes to be prepared. Okay, so let's see how it is or how it will be. Friends, you can see our recipe is already done. It is pepe ghanto. Pepe ghanto. You can see our potato is well cooked, and also the Govindabhog chal is also cooked. In papaya, to preparing a papaya, never use too much of water because it has its own water to remove. So here we are using garam masala powder. Here we are using garam masala powder, and also add some ghee. And we are switch off the gas. Yes. And need to definitely mix it well first. Our dish is complete, and we are now close the lid and switch off the gas. So friend, please tell me how it is after preparing it at your home, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon for getting more recipes. And if you are liking this video, please tell me how it is, and if you are preparing it at your home, please tell me how it is. Okay, if you want to criticize here, so you can also. So till then, goodbye, have a nice day, have a wonderful day, bye bye, tata.